Hello, my dear friends. I hope you're doing well. This is Nushin. Um, I'm coming back because I posted the new series of my Making a Commitment for Love workshops starting on January 12th from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m., 90 minutes, Pacific Standard Time. And I just want to give you a little bit of information, what I'm going to be covering and why I'm doing that. A lot of my friends, as I have mentioned before, who are psychologists, they have been using this book and giving it to their clients in order to help them better their relationships. And that's what I do as well. But the topics, the pillars, or the chapters of the book are all the stuff that are common and everybody knows about. But I always say, if we would have done those, we would not have had any issues in our relationships. So basically, what I'm doing is for the 12 weeks, we're going to start the first session with introducing me, myself, and each and every one of you who is going to be there, and your needs, because the next 11 weeks is going to be like couple therapy, but we're going to be concentrating on the chapters of the book because they are the topics that we are going to discuss. And the topics are going to be about self-love, mutual understanding, respect, communication, gratitude, permission to be you, rituals of a happy life and relationships, forgiveness, compromise, not sacrifice, trust, and also this is your life, not your parents' life. So it's not that I'm going to be teaching you this, because you can pick up a copy and read it. Much easier, because it's very easily written, it's very easy read, and you can use it in your everyday life. My mission as a psychoneurologist is actually to offer you a couple therapy with other couples in a Zoom. And in this Zoom gathering, every week we are going to talk about the issues that we have in our relationships with our partners and our families. So we're going to be discussing a lot of stuff that are not going to even be in the book. It's going to be things about what you want to talk about. And the reason I'm doing is because we are in this pandemics right now, and a lot of people have not been in, while in their relationship, they have not been under one roof for such a long time. And I keep hearing that this couple is breaking up, the relationship after so many years of marriage, and being under one roof with your significant other when you're not used to it, it's a little bit tough. So that's the reason I'm offering this instead of individual couple therapy, because the individual couple therapies that I usually conduct, they are much more expensive, much more thorough, but this way is a great chance for everyone to come in and share their issues. We choose the topic of the book, but we are talking about you, what you need in that group, what you need in your home life, basically, and and we are going to talk about the patterns that you've been having. So recognizing the patterns of your relationship, your marriage. Maybe you've been married for 30 years. Maybe you've been married for a year. But this is the best time for you to start talking about your relationship issues, because honestly, if I have an issue, it's the same thing as most of you. So when we discuss it in a group, you will learn from others as well. And I did a live in Farsi, and I said, the minute you start talking about your issue, a lot of times, because you can hear it with both ears and it's not just in your head, you can start finding solutions for your issues yourself. And if you're in a group that you feel comfortable with, a Zoom group, and you're sitting there with your partner, and the other couples are sitting there with their, with their significant others, you can discuss things and you can learn and you can, give clues. Maybe you have an issue and you have found a solution and you can talk about it. My classes are always interactive. I always encourage everyone to participate, because your participation is going to be good for you, and it's going to be good for others and me, because as a teacher, I'm always a student. I always learn from my students. If you're a high school student, or if you're a couple, or who have been married for 30, 40 years, we can all learn from each other. So I really encourage you to sign up, because if you're interested, my major discount is going to be until end of December. You can private message me and we talk about it. I do not want to turn down anyone. Honestly, my purpose here is to help you. If you really want and need therapy, couple therapy, or even if you're an individual and you want to join, and this is going to work for you, because you're going to use your techniques, the techniques that you learn, the things that you do in your life with any relationship that you have. It can be with your kids, it can be with your in-laws, with your, exes or futures. So you can use the techniques no matter what. And if there is difficulty for payments, please call me. Please discuss it with me. You're not gonna be turned away because you cannot afford the full tuition. It's a fraction of what I honestly charge my couple therapies, because I really want to help everyone, especially at this time that we are housebound. We have to be here. We have to be living with our significant others more and more under one roof, and a lot of issues keep coming up. So as always, please give me a message, and if you have any questions, I will be more than happy to answer them. If you cannot afford, the price is $40 for now per session, but the whole price is going to be $480 for 12 sessions. You can pay every month, every 4 sessions. You can pay every 6 sessions, doesn't matter. Or you can pay the whole 12 sessions. If you're a couple, it's going to be much cheaper, because it's going to be $900 instead of $960. So if you cannot afford that, we discuss it. I talk to you about it. Honestly, any amount that you can pay will be okay. I need your commitment. I need your full participation, because that's what's going to help you with your relationship issues, or with any communication issues that you might have and challenges. So honestly, I can't wait to see you all. I can't wait to start the classes and be with you all. So DM me, or you can, if you know me in person and I have your number, you can call me so I can pick up and answer you. So thank you so much for all of you that are here. Jacqueline, Betty, Mojgan Junam, Mariam Junam, all of you guys. There were a bunch of other people at the beginning. I'm just seeing the ones who are just coming up at the end. But I'm waiting for you to make your final decisions before the end of the year. So let's end 2020 in a good note. Looking forward to a positive future by being together from January 12th for 12 weeks. And as always, I love you. Spread the word around. And I'll see you tomorrow night. I think it's Hanukkah, or 2 nights from now. So for all the Jews around the world, happy Hanukkah. And I see you all most probably before I get to Christmas. So love you all. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Please, please, please. And be in touch, as always.